Ang ganda talaga ng colors, oh. Ganda din ang kulay ng tubig. Wow. Florida sunset hits different. White Sand Beach. Amy's telling me this feels like Boracay. And cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice to see you again. Diva!
Everybody in the comments, is he a diva or no?
Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kudipo Traveler. Nandito tayo ngayon sa New York City. We are traveling today to Florida, particularly sa Fort Lauderdale. So for a business trip. So nag-side trip tayo dito sa New York for leisure. So ang airline natin guys ay JetBlue. Ayan. Pasok na tayo sa boarding gate. The boarding gates. Guys, antok na ako, grabe. Bali na tayo, guys. Going to Fort Lauderdale. Makatulog na ako. Ang ganda ng airplane, guys. Given domestic, flight. May pa-monitor, oh. May pa-entertainment system. Giving yung legroom. Touchdown, guys. Florida na tayo. Welcome to Florida. And here's my bag. So we're back here after less than 1 year. So nakita ko sa Facebook memory ko, kararating lang natin ng New York last year sa araw na to, February 9. Okay, February 9 ngayon, okay? The sunny Florida, the sunny state of Florida, na famous for its beautiful beaches, yung Fort Lauderdale. Actually, yung Fort Lauderdale, first time ko siyang marinig nung in-announce yung venue for the conference that we are attending last year. Pero napakaganda niya. So this is also called the Venice of America dahil sa mga, aside from the beaches, the canals. Ito yung airport nila. Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Let's go. May location guys for Uber. Tatawid tayo. Pag mga ganito guys, huwag kayong matakot magtanong. Yun talagang pinakamakakasalba sa atin pag magtatanong tayo para sure. May mga zone doon for ride sharing. Ang kabog ng hotel, napakakabog ng hotel. And nakapag room upgrade tayo. So this is Marriott. So, saan yung elevator? Ay, ayun. Guys, look. Ang kabog. Ay, ang ganda! Hello, Fort Lauderdale! Dulong room tayo, 1573. Guys, upon check-in, nag-request tayo ng room upgrade. So, pwede naman. Sinek na kung may available. Tapos meron naman daw. Kasi last year, guys, na room upgrade din tayo. Dito tayo sa room natin. Ayan. Tara. Wow. Let's go. Guys, ang ganda. Tapos, ayun. Teka lang, buksan natin to. Paano ba ito buksan? Ay, paano ito buksan? Ayun. Wow. Ang ganda ng view natin. Corner room siya. And ito, pool view. Di naman pala ganun kalamig. Diyos ko yung binitbit kong damit. And look, may cruise. The cruise is there. Wow. Oh my God, ang sarap pumiga. I-room tour ko kayo mamaya, pero upo muna tayo. So, ayun, sa airport, may nakita na tayong colleague, si Wendy. Super nice to have met, colleagues from the US. So, nakasabay ko din, nakalimutan yung pangalan niya, pero nakasama ko siya sa President's Club trip last year. Third time natin ito sa US, guys, and second time natin sa US, it was an incentive trip kasi naging part tayo ng President's Club. I think globally, nasa 20 plus lang kami. Tapos yung trip na yun ay sa San Diego. Kasama ko si Mama. Pwedeng magdala ng +1. So first time ni Mama makapag-US nun last year. And nag-apply siya ng US visa, then validity for 10 years. Nakakatuwa lang na si mama na-experience din niya yung ganito. Ba't parang may tumutunog? Barako, kala ko may banda. Ayun. 7 years na ako guys, mag-8 years this year. Nandito pa rin ako because of the work culture, the growth. Actually, comfort na rin. Kahit ito na yung comfort zone natin, ang dami pa rin pagkakataon na we grow because of the people that we are able to connect with, engage with. Maganda yung work culture talaga. Healthy environment, walang inggitan. Diba sa ibang kumpanya may ganun? Parang toxic. Di ko siya na-experience dito. Mature yung mga tao. They acknowledge na yung leave right namin yon, so di nila kine-question every time I file a leave. Kaya nakapag-travel pa rin tayo. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ma-upload yung video na to. Mas real time ako mag-upload sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. From the cold New York to the warmer, to the warm Florida, here in Fort Lauderdale. Ang ganda na nakita nyo na kanina. Let's start the tour. So this is the bathroom. Okay. Ang ganda. Ang aliwalas. Di ba? Ang ganda ng ilaw. Toilet bowl. Hindi lang yung pang Japan. Pero okay na. Of course, may malaking TV dito, guys. Tapos may complimentary water. Grabe, $8 per bottle. Nakakaloka. Ay, wait. Di nyo pala kita. Sorry. $8 per bottle. Mahal. Tapos, ito naman yung kama. So, I believe this is pang 2 tao. Di ko sure kung queen or king ang tawag dito or double bed. Sa pang 2 tao siya. Sorry, nagkalat na dito guys. Nagcha-charge ako. Ayan. Yung outlet naman dito ay similar sa outlet ng Pinas. This. Yarn. Okay. May lampshade. May desk. Puan dyan where we can work. And then may sofa. Then this, my favorite part. The balcony. The balcony. Ang ganda. Tapos this is Fort. Ay, first time ko makita dito sa may likod. It's so nice. So, meron tayong view ng both sides. Napakaganda. Salamat at nilagay tayo sa corner room. Pro tip guys, kapag mag-check-in kayo, itanong nyo lang kung may free upgrade. Yan. Kung may chance na ma-free upgrade tayo. Ganda. Wow! Since domestic flight tayo, hindi na rin naman tayo duman sa immigration. So, the usual domestic process kahit sa Pilipinas. ID lang kailangan. So, yung Fort Lauderdale, daungan din to ng mga cruise ship. Kanina may nakita tayong Disney. 15th floor pala tayo, guys. Okay, itong pinakamataas na floor. Guys! Ala! Ala! May Disney cruise, guys. Pakinggan nyo. Wait lang. Dulong room talaga tayo. Share ko lang pala, nakaka-overwhelm, nakaka-flatter kasi sinasabi nila, we did a great job in hosting the event last year. Last year, yung first ever Rev Up. Yung name ng event ay Rev Up. Is kaming napili ng pinaka-leader namin, as in pinaka-boss ng commercial to host the event. So, nagtatanong sila kung kami ulit yung host. Sabi ko, hindi. It was a manifestation na we Filipinos can take on the global stage. So, definitely in my lifetime, isa na yun sa mga pinaka-best and most memorable experiences ko. So, nung inask ako kung okay lang ako mag-host, ako go agad. So, yung mga ganitong opportunity, dapat din natin pinapalagpas. Here's Amy.
Hi.
My Taiwanese friend. Oh, not colleague.
Not
friend.
friend. Nielsen is not colleague.
Okay. friend. So beautiful. This is really the beach.
Yeah,
Like, super accessible to the beach.
that
Yeah.
is
Disney Cruise.
Yeah.
Wow, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Aren't you cold?
Cold.
Before coming here, where did you go?
Los Angeles and
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. And
She's comparing.
LA and New York. And I like LA much better because it's chill and not so crowded.
That's so crowded.
And the weather is so nice. The weather
The
is
weather.
so nice.
The weather, really.
Yeah.
Emphasis on the weather.
Yes.
I wanna visit LA too. So, I think you're the kind of person who loves a laid back like
Yeah.
atmosphere.
Yeah.
You don't like the pak
I
pak
don't
pak
like-
pak
I don't
pak.
like.
Yeah, it's very New York, the city life.
Yeah.
Maybe because you're from Taipei already.
Oh. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
Because me, I grew up in far from Manila.
Oh.
So more
you
laid
like
back, big cities.
Yeah.
Like I love Taipei. Wow. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. It's all coming back to me now. The moments of gold and they were flashes of light. I'm not sure about the lyrics. And they were always right.
So good.
So beautiful. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If ain't you, baby. If I got you, baby. Main character moment.
So good.
Music video. White Sand Beach. Amy's telling me this feels like Boracay. But Boracay is livelier.
What?
It's livelier. Has more energy. This one is peaceful.
Really?
Yeah, I think this one is peaceful. Wow. So this is not the beach, this is the road. I think Weston is a bit far.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure which part of Fort Lauderdale, if there or there. Do you know the song, Don't Stop, Never Give Up? Yeah. If you look at the music video, it was filmed in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh, really?
Yes, you can take a look. Yeah, Don't Stop, Never Give Up. Never give up.
That is a
Da-da-da-da.
Taiwanese singer. Is it?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Jolene. Is it
Oh,
Jolene?
I'm not sure.
Jolene.
Oh, cool.
Don't stop, never give up.
Yeah.
It's
The top. Anyway, back to you. Bringing back. This is the hotel already.
Is this one?
Or no?
Yeah.
Mario.
Mario.
Lots of properties here, right? Condominium. Entered a condominium because I saw Marriott Harbor,
Yeah.
but it was a direction.
Yeah.
Marriott Harbor, 2 blocks away. Oh my
Too
God. 2 blocks east.
So funny.
Let's go. This is Amy's room. And this is the view. The view sounds like na 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 na. You know that meme? Na na na. Yeah, it's a roof. But the sunset is nice. But now, for the peak sunset view, we should go to my room. For the peak sunset view, we should go to my room. Amy wants to see my room. Everything, na na na, praise the Lord. Da, 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 da.
You see the sunset?
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Wow.
Dave, you go to my room.
Wow,
Oh my goodness, so pretty.
pretty. And you can always see the cruise ships like leave, and then the sound will be like na 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 na, I can go the distance.
Oh my god.
But oh wow, the sunset is so
Nice.
pretty, so beautiful. The Florida sunset hits different. Looks like the Lion King sunset.
Yeah,
The colors.
colors.
Alright, dinner time.
Last time
Yes?
was warmer.
Last time, no? It was colder last time, right?
It's colder.
Okay, dinner na guys. We have Paul, our Polish friend. Not colleague. Cheers. It's nice to see you again.
Cheers, Diva.
Diva! Oh my gosh, why do you call me Diva? I'm not a diva.
You're not a diva?
Yeah, I'm not a diva. Okay,
Right.
let's see.
Is everybody in the comments, is he a diva or no? Is Dave a diva?
How do you define a diva?
I think you know.
Just the energy.
Queen, energy,
The
sassy,
energy.
Diva.
attitude.
I'm not sure about them. Yeah, it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
for sure.
Alright. Ayan, good morning guys. Breakfast na. Ako nakapag-close kagabi at masyadong nakapag-video kasi super dami nang nangyari, di ba? Catching up with colleagues from different countries kasi ang tagal din nagkita-kita. Gosh, good morning. Magbe-breakfast na dapat tayo. Let's go.
Wake up too late?
Yeah. Napakaganda. Hindi ako nagkakape, pero guys, para hindi ako antukin, go, magkape tayo. It's recording! Yay! It's recording already.
No, okay.
Oh.
I know.
Hello! Hello! Happy lunch.
Happy life. Welcome to Nielsen.
Are you excited for lunch?
I'm so hungry right now.
It's 1 p.m. Let's go.
It's pretty fun.
Fun, yeah.
Fun?
What's her name? Yeah,
Like Sarah?
my Korean friend, Sarah.
Sarah. Oh, we should speak Korean because we asked Korean.
이름 뭐냐고요? 저 김민영이라고 합니다.
왜 저래?
김민용입니다.
김민영입니다.
황혜정입니다.
왕예정입니다.
Yeah.
So we received a gift from Korea. Casey tutored you.
Yeah.
I know. But thank you so much.
So funny that you noticed right away.
Yeah, because the packaging. Oh, I remember Casey. I ate the candies at home. Yeah.
I should have done some like.
No, it's okay. No. I highly appreciated. Tirik ang araw, pero cool yung hangin. So, it's okay. 1 p.m. na, guys. The beach is there. 맛있어요? 맛있어요. Alright. Cheska? Wala lang. Happy lang ako to see you. From the Philippines. You've met already, right? Yeah, Cheska. It's 5 p.m. And wala. Break. So later pa yung next. Ayan, nakamike na ako. I was thinking earlier if I should sleep or just go out and appreciate the view. Pero naisip ko, shucks, it's not every day na nandito tayo. So I better maximize and soak it all in. Kasi yung iba, nagnap. Kasi afternoon nga naman. So, antok. Kagabi, alas 12 na tayo umuwi. Alas 12, almost 1 na ako umakyat. May kulig ako si DeAndre. Siya yung pinaka naging ka-close ko from last year na taga-US. Kasi same din kami na nag-President's Club. We were together in San Diego. So, nung last night din, nung rev up, hinatak din niya ako pa umaga. Like, mga 4 a.m. na kami nakauwi. Tapos, kumakain lang kami sa lobby, ganon, ng some grocery food. That was core memory. Naglalakad-lakad kami sa streets. Parang ito yung mga bagay na hindi ko tinitake for granted. I'm just making the most out of it. Tapos, babawi lang ako ng tulog sa Pilipinas. Ganon. Maximize lang talaga. Look, ang ganda! Ay. Dito lang tayo sa beach. Alright. Yay. Tapos itong event na to, super nakaka-inspire. Parang, doon ako na-validate na thank God I'm still here. Ang ganda talaga ng colors, so grabe, ganda din ang kulay ng tubig. Wow! Grabe. Huwag niya akong i-judge kung naka-jacket ako sa beach ha. Kasi nilalamig ako, malamig yung hangin, cool breeze. Pero warm sun, ganon. Kanina. Ngayon, wala na rin namang sun. So yung sunset nandun sa kabila, na nakita natin kahapon. Ito pala yung pool area, alright, ng ating hotel. May nakita akong flag ng US. Try nating i-zoom. Para naman sure tayo nasa US tayo sa vlog na to. Tapos dyan kami nag-party-party kagabi. Getting to know people. May pa-shower dito. The following items are not allowed at the beach or pool. No glassware, glass containers, no food or beverage. So nice, no? Ayan. The US flag. Kayo guys, nasa bucket list niyo ba mag-US? Ako sa totoo lang, wala siya sa bucket list ko noon. Parang mas marami akong bansang gustong i-prioritize, puntahan. Pero, ang ganda ng New York for me. Isa na rin siya sa mga, okay, New York pinag-usapan natin, pero nasa Florida tayo. Pero kasi, yung Florida, okay din naman siya. Pero feeling ko, in terms of beach, mas maganda talaga sa Pilipinas. Pero yung vibe na ganito, city tapos beach, I think it's Florida. Yung combination ng city at beach. Oh, itong pa-appetizer ni Mayor. Ito na naman guys, ang daming kubiertos. Anong unahin dito? Charing. Ito ng ating star ng Noche Buena. Yung ano ulit tawag dito? Nakakalimutan ko kasi ang social ng pangalan. Filet mignon and tomato fena roasted chicken. Oh, may citation yon. Baka mabash ako kung mali pronunciation. Good morning, Florida. Ayan, the sunrise. Look at our view, guys. Wow. Pink Pony Club. Sandwich, sausage, tapos some fruits, tapos may pa-oatmeal sila doon, so kumuha na ako. Walang cereal, kasi every breakfast, hindi talaga dapat nawawala yung cereal sa akin. Pero anyway, let's eat. Sorry guys, itong vlog na to ay more on diary ko lang talaga, on my trip here to the US. Yeah, sure, see you around. Hindi siya masyadong informative, ano lang siya, to immortalize my memories. The morning looks so nice and beautiful. Our lunch is sandwich. At ang ganda ng view. Super nice view.
I almost got sunburned yesterday, yeah.
My friends are here in my room. What can you say about my room?
It's the best.
Free upgrade.
Our view is just the roof.
The roof.
And the parking lot.
So pro tip, ask. There's no harm in trying to ask if there's a chance for free upgrade. Guys, we won family feud.
Do we get anything?
I think that would greatly contribute to the overall
Points,
score,
yeah,
to the
right,
points.
right.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
you didn't get any prize, but
No, not yet. I go to my room because we have a deadline.
What? EOD?
EOD.
Yeah.
Did you already do it?
I mean Scott.
Oh, Scott. Okay, I will do it for Philippines. Okay, I'll go upstairs. Ikaw, James, will you sleep? Where are you going? Yeah, me too. How about you?
Of course.
Of course, let's rest.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to sleep too because, of course, it's the last night. 6:30 is the party, right? Yeah. I'm so happy. We won. This is the last time that we'll see the Florida sunset from my room. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Surreal, nandito tayo. May tinatapos pa akong trabaho before tayo bumaba. Wow, gusto ko nang namin. Yung sunset. Sa beach party, guys. Last night. Staying alive, staying alive. Alright. Last dinner. Syempre hindi kita sa camera kasi ang dilim. Pero para malaman nyo lang, di-dinner na tayo. Diba? Ang kabog. Beach party. Ang atake. Gabe, it's your time to appear on my vlog. Tsukayo. May I see the...
Arigatou gozaimasu.
You are Korean.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Wanna dance with somebody? Reaching out, touching you, touching you. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum.
Who's next?
Are you tired?
Yeah.
One, two, three, go! This is Africa.
Play my song and we're gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
Hey crew, hey, hey work, hey crew, what work, crew, what work.
I want it that way.
It's only room for two. Pop making less room for you.
Ang saya guys. Kung hindi ganito mag-party yung kumpanya, salamat na lang sa lahat. Charing. 11:06 PM. Alright, we're in Las Olas Beach area. I hope to see you again. Bye-bye. See you in Poland, hopefully.
Yes.
We're in the Philippines. You drop by.
I'll be in Thailand, so it's close. Maybe I'll visit.
Yeah, let us know.
Yeah, it's great seeing you, Dave.
Yeah. You too.
See you next year, hopefully.
Yeah. Good morning from Florida, from Fort Lauderdale. Ayun, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi pa-check out na tayo. Mamimiss ko yung friends natin. Parang itong mahirap sa isang global organization. Diba? Lalo na kapag kayo, madaling ma-touch. Ganon din ako, mabilis ako ma-touch. Kaya nung nagkita-kita kami, nung first day, I was really happy. I saw him again. Comment down below naman kayo kung may gusto ko yung sabihin. This is Dave. Emi, the Creepo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Panoorin niyo yung next vlogs ko pa, okay? Salamat, bye-bye.